To clean the Brewster window, you want to set the laser at some given current level and note the power. You'll then want to shut the laser off. You'll want to come over here. This is the dust cover. Very carefully pull this back, and remember the laser needs to be off. There is a high voltage hazard here. You'll then take some lens tissue paper, some methanol, a pair of hemostats. You will wet that tip completely with the methanol. You'll shake off excess, and then come over here, start at the top, and give it one wipe across the face. Then restart the laser and compare your power level. If your power went up, then your cleaning was successful. If your power level went down, your cleaning needs to be done again, possibly as many as 2 or 3 times to get that power level. Every time the laser needs to be shut off and turned back on because of the high voltage hazard. The last thing to do is take the dust cover and very carefully move it back over the Brewster window. And then you can put the cover back on the laser head.